You have to work on an Indian suit all year to make for Mardi Gras because this takes patience. You can't try to do this at the last minute and expect a good outcome. That's what I really wanted to do. I always said I wanted to follow my grandpa's footsteps and be a Mardi Gras Indian musician. A lot of people don't know what that is. My age, they like, oh, you won't do that? That ain't no job. Like, you just don't know. You don't understand.
Bienvenue, everyone. This is Leroy Downs. You're on MOTR. Here in the meandering rivers of the Bayou, on the way to New Orleans, lies the untold story of the Mardi Gras Indians. In the deep South, the slaves escaping the plantations in reach of freedom ran off to the swamps. In those swamps stood the Indians who brought them in to protect them. This was never forgotten. Every year on Mardi Gras Day, it's time to pay homage. In the streets of the Crescent City, there's no way you can miss the Mardi Gras Indians. Today, we're meeting with Chawa, a band bringing the sounds further into modern day music.
I'ma do my thing everywhere I go. And here they come. And we early that morning, a second and drive. And here they come. They golden, niggas coming right on time. And here they come. They golden, niggas say that's my tribe. That's my grandpa, the big chief of the Golden Eagles. That's the man I get it from, where everything started.
After Katrina, it lost everything else except my Indian suit.
It was saved.
Yeah.
Okay.
I put it up high. It's a suit rather because it's all hand sewed. Costume is glued together, you know, we put together. This is all hand sewed. You learn something every year. Which he could put his suit together himself, but it's some things he don't see. So I just tell him, hey, you should do it this way, that way. So we keep the family tradition going.
When them drums start playing, it's like they talking to you. If you was born an Indian and you grew up around it, you gon' feel it. It'll bring chills or something to your body. Like, that's what it does to me. Like, right now talking about it, I just literally have chills just coming down.
Not only that, your tambourine will last longer. You know, that's why they bust them up, you know. Yeah. The tambourine comes out over all that stuff, regardless of how loud we play. You know, and the tambourine makes it. That's what we started with these.
Chawa started with my fascination with Mardi Gras Indian music. These guys were really so incredibly welcoming and hospitable. You know, I wanted to take something and start Mardi Gras Indian music, but put it in the context of a contemporary production sound, you know, like add my own generation's voice to it. And, and still respect the tradition.
You have to work on an Indian suit all year to make for Mardi Gras because this takes patience. You can't try to do this at the last minute and expect a good outcome. That's what I really wanted to do. I always said I wanted to follow my grandpa's footsteps and be a Mardi Gras Indian musician. A lot of people don't know what that is. My age, they like, oh, you won't do that? That ain't no job. Like, you just don't know. You don't understand.
Chills, that's for sure when I hear these funky tribal beats. We're out of the hot and sweaty Jazz City and on the road to Austin, Texas. But this time, no cowboys, no country music, but 3 siblings ready to make it in the music industry.